Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall GitHub Desktop on Windows, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall GitHub Desktop on Windows, start by closing the application if it is currently open. Next, click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter to open it. Once in the Control Panel, find and click on Programs. In the Programs section, click on Programs and Features. Scroll through the list until you find GitHub Desktop. Click on GitHub Desktop to select it. After selecting it, look for the Uninstall option located at the top of the window. Click on Uninstall to begin the removal process. A confirmation dialog may appear, asking if you're sure you want to uninstall GitHub Desktop. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation. The uninstaller will now run, removing GitHub Desktop from your system. Once the process is complete, you may receive a notification confirming that the uninstallation was successful. Finally, you can close the control panel. To ensure GitHub Desktop is completely removed, consider checking the installation directory. Navigate to C:\users\left bracket your username right bracket /appdata /local single quote and look for any remaining GitHub Desktop. If you find any, simply delete these folders. Now you have successfully uninstalled GitHub Desktop from your Windows computer. Your system is clean of the application, freeing up space and resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.